Of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney and understand that as well?
Yes.
And here we go. The courtroom tension starts building. The judge is about to decide whether this man gets another chance or 2 years behind bars.
All right, state.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Johnny Armando Limon Jr., did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March, April, May, June, July, and August of 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 4352, State versus Johnny Limon. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Alvin for the state.
And Eric DeWalt, I represent Mr. Limon.
And are you Johnny Armando Limon Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Johnny Armando Limon?
Notice how calm the defendant sounds, but that calm hides fear. This is the moment he's facing the consequences of breaking probation. Again.
Jr., who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 4352 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on August 1st, 2023 for a period of 2 years and extended for a total of 3 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Your Honor, we're going to proceed on number 23. On or about the 4th day of December 2024 in Travis County, Texas, the defendant, Johnny Armando Limon Jr., did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, in that the defendant was using K2 while in the Austin Transitional Center in violation of condition number 23.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And then lastly, Your Honor, number 4 on the
He just admitted guilt to multiple violations, and that single word, true, seals his fate. In court, one word can decide years of your life.
amended.
Just one moment. I don't have a copy of the amended. Oh, here it is. Just 1 second.
Last night, Your Honor.
Did you review the first amended motion to motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney and understand that as well?
Yes.
All right, state.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Johnny Armando Limon Jr., did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March, April, May, June, July, and August of 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We'll waive the rest, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 23 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand that?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 23 and 4?
Yes.
Court will find 23 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. The state is recommending revocation, and I believe the defense is going to ask for something different.
The defense tries to spin this, saying he was trying. But the judge has heard this before. Addiction and excuses blur fast when violations pile up.
Yes, defense.
And Your Honor, the probation's recommendation was the SATIF relapse. From my client's actions, you could tell that he was in rehab and still using. He is trying. And then he knew he had a warrant out for his arrest. So one, we would ask that the SATIF relapse be considered, or if you're going to sentence him, we would ask for the 180 days.
All right.
And Your Honor, may I respond?
Yes.
Given that his new cases, his new number 1s are brand new, at least as far as the new drug cases, we can't indict him on those yet. We don't have the lab results. He can't plead true or not.
This is the emotional core. The man's desperation is real, but judges don't deal in emotion. They deal in evidence and patterns. And his pattern? Broken promises.
Not true, but he can't plead true to those. We can't work those out. And given that those cannot be worked out, SATIF or SafeP is not an option. So we're asking for the revocation.
All right. Anything you wish to say?
I know I messed up.
You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Johnny Armando Limon Jr.
Yes, and you wanted to say something.
I know I messed up, Judge. I messed up bad, but I'm just asking if I get like a second chance or something. something I can just try to work with. I got a lot going on out there in the world, and I really don't want to go sit down. But I was asking for a second chance.
All right, so let me explain to you what your problem is. And not really what your problem is, but let me explain to you what your actions were and why you're here.
Yes.
All right. And I'm just not talking about the motion to revoke today. It's you were previously placed on deferred adjudication. The fact that your deferred adjudication was extended suggests that there were violations. And you have had previous violations before.
Boom. That's the breaking point. The judge's patience ends here. Rehab is a privilege, not a playground, and he brought drugs into rehab.
And it was denied. And whenever someone has violations, if I'm going to continue them, I try to address those violations. So previously, you had a motion to revoke, violation of number 2. I denied it, altered and amended your conditions. And then you came back.
Sentence delivered. 2 years. You can almost hear the weight in that pause. A final judgment after endless chances.
There was another motion to revoke, and I denied it, and I ended up sending you to inpatient treatment. And now you're back here again, and you're back here because you're in the treatment facility and you have illegal substances there. I mean, there's nothing else I can do for you. So the court is going to grant the motion. The court will find you guilty, revoke. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, therapeutic community, and the court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication.
Even after sentencing, the judge shows mercy, offering help if he ever seeks it. That's what real justice looks like: accountability, not cruelty.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
Here's the thing. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober support system or a place to stay, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to place you in a treatment facility. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, take advantage of the therapeutic community that's there. All I can do is recommend it for you. It'll be in the judgment, but you have to ask for it too. I don't have any jurisdiction over the prison, so I can't force them to place you in the program, but it will be helpful to you if you're able to get in that program. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Michael Balderas.
Just a death penalty.
Morning.
Good morning.
Still a good day so far.
Oh, well, don't say still a good day. We're just going to ride this good day throughout. Hi.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. So where are we on discovery on this case?
To my understanding, Judge, I have all the records that we have ordered.
There's no CPS records?
There are CPS records. We do have them available, and I just would like to have them signed.
And just like that, one life changes in minutes. For the judge, another case. For him, the end of the road, or maybe the start of redemption.
Before releasing.
And Judge, the discovery is not on the discovery system. I spoke to the prosecutor. He's going to have me bring in a flash drive. I'll bring it in tomorrow.
All right. And State, were you able to tender an offer today or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. On Balderas, I need a plea deadline date in December, please. All right, December 1st, that's your plea deadline date. If you have not reached an agreement with the state, what will happen is you will have a jury trial set. Your plea deadline date will have expired and the court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. What I can tell you is, based upon the jurors that will be available in the month of December, your case will be tried most likely in the new year. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
One issue, just since we haven't had access to the discovery yet, if there's any issue. I'll
Then
re-follow.
you need to come in before December 1st and let the court know.
I'm gonna let the court know.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
And if you'll have a seat, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.